What if I told you that the biggest threat to your financial future isn't inflation? It isn't a recession, and it isn't even a stock market crash. Every time the economy slows down, we're told to fear rising prices, falling markets, and job losses. But what if the greatest wealth killer never makes the headlines? What if it's quietly following you every single payday while you work hard, collect your paycheck, pay your bills, and believe you're making all the right financial decisions? That's what makes it so dangerous. It doesn't destroy your wealth overnight. It steals it silently, one paycheck, 1 month, 1 year at a time, until one day you look back and realize your hardest working asset wasn't your income. It was your time, and you gave too much of it away. Millions of hardworking Americans unknowingly feed this invisible wealth killer every single payday. They save money, avoid unnecessary debt, work overtime, and do everything they believe they're supposed to do. Yet many still struggle to build lasting wealth. According to Federal Reserve survey data, many Americans still have limited retirement savings despite years of working, highlighting how earning an income alone doesn't guarantee long-term wealth. The problem isn't always how much people earn. It's how long their money has to grow. To understand why, meet Jake and Ryan. They graduated college together at 25, landed similar jobs, earned nearly identical salaries, lived in the same neighborhood, and shared the same dream of becoming financially free. On paper, their futures looked almost identical. But 30 years later, Jake is financially independent while Ryan is still wondering if he'll ever retire comfortably. The shocking part? Jake didn't earn a higher salary. He didn't inherit money, discover a secret investment, or get lucky. The only real difference was one decision he made every payday. Jake automatically invested $500 every month from age 25. Ryan waited until age 35 because he wanted a bigger emergency fund, a safer economy, a higher salary, and the perfect time to begin. Every reason sounded responsible. Every delay felt temporary. But temporary decisions have a way of becoming permanent habits. By retirement, assuming a long-term annual return of around 10%, Jake's portfolio could be worth well over $1 million, while Ryan, despite investing the same amount every month afterward, could end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars less, simply because he gave his money 10 fewer years to grow. Most people think Ryan made the safer decision because he held more cash and avoided risk. But while Ryan believed he was protecting his money, something invisible was quietly working against him every single day. His money wasn't simply sitting still. It was silently losing the opportunity to create more money. Economists have a name for this invisible force: opportunity cost. It's the wealth you never build because you waited. It never appears on your bank statement, shows up on a credit card bill, or sends you a warning. It quietly steals the future your money could have created if you had simply started sooner. So why do intelligent, hardworking people fall into this trap? Because your brain wasn't designed to build wealth. It was designed to survive. Survival naturally